Good day, everyone. We often think innovation comes from big invention, artificial intelligence, robotics, or space technology. But sometimes innovation begins with something much simpler, something we use every single day, something we rarely question. Today, I want to talk about how a common campus experience printing revealed a hidden problem and how it inspired a smarter solution. Imagine it's 11:55 a.m. Your assignment is due at 12 p.m. You rush across campus to print your report, but when you reach the printer, there is already a long queue. Someone printed the wrong document, another printer is jammed, and suddenly printing becomes the most stressful part of your day. Most of us have experienced this moment, but what if this frustration is not caused by students? What if it's caused by a poorly designed system? Today, I want to introduce SmartPrint at Campus, an intelligent printing system created using design thinking and trees innovation to make campus printing smarter, faster, and more sustainable. Printing is something students rely on almost every day. Assignments, reports, lecture notes, lab submissions. Yet, the system we use today were not designed for the high demand environmental of modern universities. Printers become overloaded during peak hours. Students often struggle to find a working printer, and the process itself is confusing and inefficient. So, while printing should be a simple task, it often becomes a stressful experience. This is where our project begins. Research identified three major issues. First, long waiting time during peak printing hours. Second, printing errors such as selecting the wrong documents or wrong settings. Third, resource waste including unnecessary paper and toner usage. These problems may seem small individually, but across an entire campus, they create significant inefficiencies and environmental impact. And most importantly, they affect the daily experience of students. To understand the real problem, we look at the student's experience. Students often think, will I make my deadline? Why is printing so complicated? They say things like, the printer is always broken. I printed the wrong file again. Emotionally, they feel stress and frustration. And behaviorally, they wait in line, repeat printing attempts, or rush to find another printer. These insights help us realize something important. Students don't just need a printer, they need a smarter system that supports them. To address this problem, we use design thinking. Design thinking focuses on solving problems by understanding human needs. The process includes five stages: empathize, understanding user experience, define, identifying the core problem, ideate, generating creative solution, prototype, building a model, test, gathering feedback from users. By following this framework, we ensure that our solution was user-centered, practical, and innovative. During our ideation stage, we face a major challenge. Students want printing to be fast and convenient, but universities want printing to be efficient and sustainable. Traditionally, these two goals conflict. If printing becomes easier, mistakes increases. If controls are added, the process becomes slower. This contradiction required a more advanced innovation method. To solve this contradiction, we applied trees, a theory of inventive problem solving. Trees help innovators resolve contradictions without sacrificing performance. Instead of choosing one solution over another, trees encourages us to find creative ways to achieve both goals simultaneously. By applying trees principle, we were able to redesign the printing process in a smarter way. Several trees principles guided our solution. The first is segmentation. Printers are distributed across campus to balance demand. The second is prior action. Students preview and confirm settings before printing. The third is automation. The system automatically selects the best available printers. And the fourth is self-service empowerment. Students manage their printing directly through a mobile app. This principle allows us to create a system that is both fast and efficient. The result is SmartPrint at Campus. SmartPrint is an intelligent printing ecosystem designed specifically for universities. It connects students, printers, and campus networks into a single digital system. Instead of randomly choosing printers, students interact with a guided platform that improves decision making. This system reduces errors, saves time, and improves the overall user experience. SmartPrint operates through several connected components. Documents are uploaded to a secure cloud server. The campus network connects users to available printers. Students interact through a mobile application interface, and printing is released through smart kiosks across campus. Together, these components create a fully integrated smart printing system. Let's walk through the user experience. First, the students log into the SmartPrint app. Second, they upload their document from cloud storage. Third, the system recommends the best printer based on availability. Fourth, the user previews and confirms the settings. Finally, the student scans a QR code at the kiosk to release the print. This process removes uncertainty and makes printing simple and reliable. SmartPrint includes several intelligent features. Printer segmentations distribute workloads across campus. Preview confirmation reduces printing mistakes. Smart alerts notify users of printer status. Quota tracking helps students manage their printing usage. And automatic routing ensures that jobs are directed to available printers. These features transform printing from a stressful task into a smooth digital service. To test our concept, we developed a prototype of the Smart Print system. This prototype simulated the mobile interface, routing system, and printing workflow. Testing allowed us to observe how students interacted with the system. It also helped us identify improvement before full implementation. The feedback from prototype testing was very positive. Students found the interface easier to navigate. The preview function reduced printing errors significantly. Smart routing helps students avoid crowded printers. Most importantly, students reported feeling more confident and less stressed when printing. SmartPrint offers multiple benefits. Students save time and avoid printing mistakes. Universities reduce resource waste and maintenance costs. Printers operate more efficiently with balanced workloads, and the overall campus experience improves. Small improvements in everyday systems can create large operational and environmental benefits. SmartPrint also contributes to sustainability. It supports Sustainable Development Goal 12, responsible consumption and production. By reducing unnecessary printing, we reduce paper waste. It also supports Sustainable Development Goal 13, climate action. Lowering printing demand means lower environmental impact. This shows how even simple innovations can contribute to global sustainability goals. Looking forward, SmartPrint can evolve even further. Future versions could include AI-based printer maintenance prediction. Data analytics could optimize printer placement across campus. Students could even track their environmental impact from printing. SmartPrint has the potential to become part of a larger smart campus ecosystem. Many frustrations in daily life are not caused by people. They are caused by systems that were never designed with empathy. When systems ignore user experience, simple tasks become stressful. But when systems are designed intelligently, everyday activities become effortless. Innovation does not always mean inventing something new. Sometimes it means rethinking the system we already use. And sometimes that redesign begins with something as simple as printing an assignment. Thank you for being part of this journey. If you are interested in SmartPrint at campus or would like to explore this idea further, please feel free to contact us. Our contact details are provided on this slide. We look forward to connecting with you and continuing the conversation about building smarter campuses. Thank you.